Erin Peliquin with MCP Actions. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use our social media templates for Lightroom. These templates will help you create collages for Facebook, before and after presentations optimized as far as size and sharpening, and also for Pinterest you'll be able to create long skinny collages optimized for Pinterest pins. Today I'm going to show you how to install and use these templates. You're going to begin inside Lightroom, and these templates do work in Lightroom 3 and up. You're going to go to the print module and check first in the print module your user templates section of the template browser. If you don't have any templates in here, you need to make a quick one. To do that, just click on this plus sign, make sure that user templates is selected in the folder, and go ahead and hit create. Doesn't matter what you're saving or what you name it. You just need to establish a custom template in here before you can install other ones. Now, in order to install the MCP product, you'll want to begin on our website by ordering and downloading the product. Now, this is a free download. However, you do need to work through our order process in order to order it and download it onto your computer. Once you download it, you will most likely find it in your downloads folder. This might be somewhere different if you or someone else has configured your downloads to go somewhere other than a downloads folder. You can always use a search box, whether you're on a Mac or PC, to search for your new download, which will be called MCP Social Media Templates. When you first download it, it will be in a zipped or compressed folder. Now, on most operating systems, you can simply double-click to unzip the file. And you can see now that I've got two versions, one with a zipper to indicate that it's compressed and one that is uncompressed. If double clicking doesn't work, try right clicking and looking for something that says extract, unzip, unarchive, something like that. Odds are you'll be able to make it work that way. If you're not able to do it, you'll need to Google unzipping on your operating system and potentially install an unzipping utility, which you can usually find for free. Once you've unzipped the templates, you're going to want to copy the entire social media templates folder. You're going to right-click on it to select copy. You could also type Command or Control C to copy the file. Now you're going to return to Lightroom, and you're going to open your preferences. If you're on a PC, the preferences is available under the edit menu. If you're on a Mac, you're going to want to go to the Lightroom menu and select preferences. Once you're in preferences, click on the presets tab and then click on show the Lightroom presets folder. Your Finder or Explorer will open with Lightroom highlighted. Within the Lightroom folder, you'll want to click on the Print Templates folder. Now, if you can't find Print Templates, you need to go back to the beginning of the instructions where we talked about saving the blank template within your User Templates folder. Once you do that, Print Templates will appear here. Once you've opened Print Templates, right-click and select Paste. After pasting, you'll simply close Lightroom and restart it. Okay, Lightroom has reopened and you can see that I've got my social media templates folder now available in the template browser of the print module. Within the social media templates, you have 7 options. You can post to Facebook a before and after with horizontal photos, with square photos, or with vertical photos. For Pinterest, you've got 4 choices of collages. And adding photos to these templates is as simple as clicking and dragging. Now, I'm going to show you how to get a before and after for Facebook. And to make a before and after, there's an extra step because you do have to have a copy that is the before copy as well as the after copy. So I'm going to go to my Develop module and select this photo. Now, this is the after version of the photo. By using my History panel, I can click on my import state, which is the before version. Once I'm looking at the before version, I can simply right-click and select Create Virtual Copy. And you can see now that I've got the virtual copy here in my film strip. It's indicated by the turned up corner at the bottom left-hand side. Going to return to the photo I've edited, and again in my history panel, I'm going to go to my last editing step to return this to my final version. So now within my film strip, I'm looking at both the after and the before. In order to make this before and after for Facebook, I'm going to return to the print module, going to select the Facebook vertical before and after, and now I'll simply click and drag each photo into the appropriate slot. When you're clicking and dragging, you want to make sure that the edge of the photo cell lights up in yellow before you release your click, as this one is. If you need to move the photo within the cell, you're going to hold down your Command or Control button to finalize the placement. Once you've got both photos dragged into the appropriate cells, you can customize this as far as adding strokes, changing the background color of the photo, or you can also use the watermarking feature. We've got several videos on further customizations for these templates available on our website. You'll want to look at our Display It for Web templates. Display It for Web is a huge set of various blogging templates, anywhere from creating singles, so single images that are formatted for the web, to collages of 6 or more. So on the page on our website talking about Display It for Web, you'll see lots of videos covering how to rotate photos, crop photos, and add watermarks. One other thing you might want to do with these before and after templates is rearrange the placement of the words, and you can do that simply by clicking on them and then dragging. You can also click and drag on a corner to change the sizing as well. So I'm going to turn off the page grid so that you can see what this is going to look like without the grid behind it. The grid will not save, by the way, in your final version. So that just helps you with sizing and placing your wording here. When you're ready to save this template, you'll simply click on this Print to File button, navigate to the location where you want to save it, and name it, and hit the Save button. And from there, now you have a file that is sized and sharpened appropriately for posting on Facebook. So don't forget, if you'd like to look at further customization videos, check out our MCP Display It for Web templates. You can find that at www.mcpactions.com. Thanks so much for watching this video, and enjoy your social media templates.